K-Health Pharmacy Honest Review. Watch before using. K-Health is a telehealth platform that leverages artificial intelligence to provide virtual medical consultation, prescription services, and healthcare guidance. While K-Health offers prescription services, it does not operate its own pharmacy. Instead, it partners with local pharmacy to fulfill prescription. And here's the pros and cons about this platform. So K-Health offers competitive rate with membership starting at $12 per month or $45 annual, providing access to various healthcare services. And also, users can consult with licensed physician via the text or video chat, eliminating the need for in-person visit. And also, the platform boasts a 4.6 out of 5 stars rating across over 20,000 reviews on the App Store and Google Play. And here's the downside about this platform. Some users have reported technical problem with the app, particularly on iOS device, and also there are reports of inconsistent experience between different doctors on the platform. And also, a minority of users have faced difficulties reaching customer support or resolving issue promptly. And here is the overall conclusion. K-Health offers a cost-effective and convenient alternative to traditional healthcare visits, particularly for non-emergency situation. While many users report positive experience, potential users should be aware of occasional technical issue and variability in services. As K-Health does not operate its own pharmacy, prescription fulfillment relies on partnership with local pharmacies. It's advisable to consider this factor and consult multiple sources before deciding if K-Health align with your healthcare need.